there guys, and welcome to Pulse. So since we're allowed to travel again, I thought it'd be a great idea to go on a little road trip and explore our state. But since I'm such a keen studier, I don't really want to waste any time. So today I'm going to be showing you how you can study while on the road. You guys excited?
I'm pumped.
So keen.
I lost my keys. I don't know where they went. I got too excited.
Turning fun car games into studying games. I spy with my British eye something beginning with C.
C. Car. Got it.
Obviously not, it's chlorophyll, the trees are green.
Oh, come on, that was going to be my answer.
Exactly, it's a common answer.
That's not going to be your answer.
Have a good playlist. Now, obviously, for copyright reasons, I can't play the actual music on my playlist, but today we're going to form our own little a cappella group. Chuck us a beat, Jake. Uptown girl, she be living in her uptown world.
Uptown world.
Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. You cannot play that. Test yourself. Study apps like Anki flashcards are a really popular way to study at the moment, so get your friends to help you revise while you drive.
Types of heat exchangers.
Do you want to take this?
You go. I'll leave it to you. I know this one.
All right, shell and tube. What? Crossflow.
Crossflow.
And parallel flow.
Parallel flow.
Yes!
Yes.
Fuel your body. If you want to be at your intellectual peak, you've got to eat all the healthy and nutritious snacks. Luckily, service stations have got them all these days. All right, guys, I'm back. I'll show you what I got.
What have we got?
They sound broken. You can have
Fingers,
those.
mine. Thank you.
M&M's for Ben.
Can't stop.
I'm lactose intolerant. You can have that.
Ooh, triple espresso.
Then I've got some Skittles, Hubba Bubba, and Caramellos.
If this is you with no coffee.
Honestly. If in doubt, ask Siri. Sometimes you might not know all the answers, but luckily these days we've got the world of knowledge at our fingertips. Hey Siri, how much wood would a woodchuck chuck if a woodchuck could chuck wood?
Great question.
Thank you.
Assuming a spherical woodchuck in a vacuum. About 42.
Oh, 42.
Thanks so much for watching, guys. We've finally reached our destination. If you're going to go on a road trip, remember to be safe. Maybe consider dropping by a bushfire affected community and shopping local while you're there. Don't forget to study in the car, and I'll see you later.